According to a report, Hindu population share, the majority community's population share has declined and that the minority population share has increased. This is a study done by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, and that the findings have revealed, and we have put it out on your screen, that the population share of the majority religion or the majority community in India, which is the Hindu community, has declined by specifically 7.8%. And the timeline here is 1950 to 2015. While the Hindu population share has shrunk in India, but those, for example, the Muslim community's population share, Christian, Buddhist, Sikhs have risen in different percentage. Between 1950 and 2015, this is about a 50-year of timeline, the Muslim population share has surged in India by 43%. Christian population share has seen a rise by 5.38%. The Sikh community's population share has seen a rise by 6.58%. Buddhists also have reported an increase. Now, clearly, and this is not just about India, we're told this is about this subcontinent as well, how majority communities there have, meanwhile, as opposed to India, have shown a rise in their population share. But this, because it has the mention of religion and has community overtones, it has become a political showdown as well. This is being called as with the declining proportion share of the Hindu community, the Congress party has reacted. Accusations that turning the country into a dharamshala. Congress and AIM accusing the BJP government of diverting from real issues and bringing in these population share mentions.
रोहिंग्या बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठी इसको वोट बैंक कांग्रेसियों ने बनाया और ये भारत के सनातन को खत्म करने की एक साजिश भी है। ये बताता है कि आने वाले दिन में भारत को लोग इस्लामिक स्टेट बनाना चाहते हैं और ये साजिश बहुत बड़ी साजिश है। उसमें कांग्रेस का सबसे बड़ा तुष्टीकरण रोल रहा आजादी के बाद से।
इस रिपोर्ट को पढ़ने के बाद मैं आहत हूं और हर राष्ट्रवादी आहत होगा कि तत्काल प्रभाव से सरकार गठन होने के बाद इस देश में जनसंख्या नियंत्रण कानून बनना चाहिए। ये तो बहुत दुखदाई चिंता का विषय है हर देशवासी के लिए जो राष्ट्र के बारे में सोचता है। 8% हिंदू की आबादी कम हो जाना और 40% मुसलमान की आबादी बढ़ जाना, और आम आदमी जानता है कि जहां जहां हिंदू घटा देश बटा।
अगर ऐसा है भी तो ये चिंता का विषय है ना। जब हम लोग समावेशी विकास की एक तरफ बात करते हैं तो फिर सब एक साथ आगे बढ़ें, ये भी जिम्मेदारी सबके ऊपर होनी चाहिए। ऐसे में अगर कोई ऐसी जानकारी सामने आई है तो उस पर अध्ययन होना चाहिए।
मुस्लिम समाज की बढ़ती हुई संख्या उनमें आक्रामकता निर्माण कर रही है और पिछड़े होने के कारण से आरक्षण भी चाहिए। ये पिछड़ापन यदि कहीं है तो उसके कारण केवल तुम हो, तुम्हारी बढ़ती आबादी है। आज देश के लिए यह स्थिति विस्फोटक हो गई है। जनसंख्या विस्फोट खतरनाक स्थिति पर आ गया है। विश्व हिंदू परिषद की मांग है समान जनसंख्या नीति बननी चाहिए, चाहे हिंदू हो या मुसलमान, सबके लिए एक जैसी नीति।
Mr. Prime Minister wants to divert all those issues, and also he knows himself that these 10 years of his rule has been a big boon to the crony capitalists, and they have looted and amassed this country's wealth, and as a result he wants to divert it. So this communal research which he has taken suddenly out of the blue during the election is from his propaganda team, and I'm sorry to say that the Prime Minister will cut a sorry figure. The people of this country are intelligent enough to understand a Prime Minister who runs a country for 10 years, who runs away without talking on the real issues.
सलाहकार समिति में सर रिपोर्ट आई है जिसमें हिंदुओं की संख्या घटी है।
अब ये जनसंख्या बढ़ाना घटाना अपना पर्सनल बातें हैं, इस पर इसको धर्म को लेकर के नहीं आगे चलना चाहिए।
आबादी को लेकर जो रिपोर्ट आई है उसमें कहा गया है कि हिंदुओं के हिस्से की
रिपोर्ट है। किसकी रिपोर्ट है? किसकी रिपोर्ट है ये? किसकी रिपोर्ट है वो बोलिए पहले आप, और रिपोर्ट फॉरवर्ड करिए, हम पढ़ के बोलेंगे। ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, आपकी बात पे भरोसा नहीं करते हम।
नहीं, ये देखिए।
नहीं, रिपोर्ट किसकी है ये? रिपोर्ट कौन बनाया है ये?
इसमें जो लिखा गया है।
नहीं, लिखा नहीं गया।
हाँ।
लिखा नहीं गया है। व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का तो नहीं चलेंगे। रिपोर्ट किसने बनाई, किसकी रिपोर्ट है बताइए।
आपको लगता है कि
नहीं, मेरे को लगना नहीं लगने का सवाल नहीं।
This report and the findings of this report are by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister that has, according to the report findings, studied between 1950 to 2015. And that is what the results have now surfaced, that the Hindu population share has declined about 8%, while for the Muslim community population share, it's risen by over 40%. I want to bring in India Today's Piyush Mishra on the latest on that. Piyush, clearly, expectedly, this has become a political showdown as well, and specifically because it has the community mentions. How do you think the India bloc leaders will escalate this? How is the BJP also putting this forward? Because I haven't seen a very senior leader of the BJP respond yet on this.
Pooja, let me tell you that there's a meeting going on of all the spokesperson of BJP, and after that particular meeting, we can expect a press conference from Bharatiya Janata Party where they are going to react sharply on this report, because this is the which concerns the entire nation. Because be it about BJP, Congress, or the other alliance partners of India bloc, they are now coming out and reacting on this. BJP is saying that it has happened because of the appeasement politics of the Congress party. The Congress is saying that BJP is trying to divert from the real issues. Ashutosh Owaisi is saying that it is the WhatsApp University report. So different reactions are now coming out on this entire report, the Economic Advisory report of which reports to Prime Minister. We can also find this echoing in the campaign for 2024 Lok Sabha elections in coming few days, or from today also. We can expect the BJP leaders, Congress leaders to speak about this report during their campaign also. And in coming few days, we can expect BJP to highlight this. We are already seeing how Giriraj Singh is saying that it is a conspiracy of the Congress party, and that is why the population of Muslims have risen. VHP is also coming out and condemning this and saying that there should be population control law in this country. So we are now seeing how different reactions coming out. We can expect a sharp response coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party after the meeting comes to an end. Pooja.